So for number 5, we are trying to find all horizontal and vertical asymptotes. Let's find the vertical asymptotes first. So to do that, I want to set the denominator equal to 0. So I have 4x squared plus 1 is equal to 0. And then I want to solve for x. So if I subtract 1 from both sides, I get 4x squared is equal to negative 1. And then if I divide both sides by 4, x squared is equal to negative 1 over 4. And then if I take the square root of both sides, then x is equal to plus or minus the square root of negative 1/4. Now, a big issue with this is that we can't actually take the square root of a negative number. We're not considering I in this situation. So, because we can't take the square root of a negative, can't take square root of a negative, there is no vertical asymptote for this one. No vertical asymptote. Now, for the horizontal asymptote, we need to compare the degree. Compare the degree. So I'm looking at the 3x and the 4x squared. So I look at the highest power in each of the numerator and the denominator. And the numerator has just an x, the denominator has an x squared. So the denominator is higher. So from our three scenarios, this means that y is equal to 0 would be our horizontal asymptote.